Hey Kickstarter, it's James. Some of you guys know me as Outcast on social media. I've been working on something really awesome and I really want to share it with you guys.
This is the Izzy. It's small, it's cute, and it's really smart, like my daughter that it's named after. It is a prototype 3D printed mobile tabletop dolly. It is designed primarily for content creators in mind. It has a standard 1/4 inch mounting screw at the top that will allow you to attach your DSLR camera or smartphone or any camera really that you want to put on top. It will have a standard battery pack on the back. In this picture you're seeing here, we're probably going to put some USB ports too to allow you to power your camera or smart device. It will also have tank tread type wheels at the bottom to allow for that linear motion or that arc type travel with it, and you'll be able to control it with your smartphone because it'll have a Raspberry Pi Zero W controlling it. And here are some example shots, not shot on the Izzy, but some example shots you should be able to achieve once the prototype is complete.
We think you're going to love the Izzy as much as we do. We really would love for you guys to come with us on a journey and join our community. We can't do this without your help. Thank you so much for your time and hope to talk to you guys again really, really soon.